Let's move into my apartment. I got my key. Got the goods. The room's a little bit smaller than I thought it was gonna be. More stuff we're taking up. I got my key. Now we're gonna have to climb 3 flights of stairs every day because there's no elevator. But that's okay. Fitness grind. Okay, I'll give you a little empty room tour. Where's Alyssa? Alyssa, you wanna say hi to the vlog? Hi vlog. So this is our apartment, our side of the apartment. That's the full apartment, but we share a bathroom. Looks like this. We each get a side, and then this is the real bathroom. And then you walk this way, and we have my room, and it's kind of small, but you know, only one of me has to be in here. Miss you, Riley. But now we're gonna start getting everything set up. The stuff we've got going on so far, and right now I'm going to tackle the drawers and the closet. So the fam went back to the hotel to check out because we're staying in a hotel right now. We're moving into an Airbnb while I move in. And you know, it's a little bit messy. The room's a little bit smaller than I thought it was gonna be. But I have a huge closet, which is nice. I'm just gonna be interested to see how this is gonna go. Yeah, I'm a little overwhelmed. But you know, we have my kinetic sand, so it's fine. But I'm kind of just waiting for the fam to get back so I can like wipe some stuff down. But yeah, I can show you the setup so far. So we have the window. It's really nice. We have the desk, which is kind of messy. I just vacuumed. Not that there was much to vacuum, but it's wood floor instead of carpet this time, so that's nice. We have pretty much everything out on the bed. And then we're gonna put like a little bookshelf nook right here. And then we have my dressers and then that stuff. And then the closet, which is huge. And then I'm gonna put my nightstand there. And then have that there. I wanted to get a full-length mirror, and I might ask to put it in the like common area because we have these, but mine's cracked at the bottom, so that makes me kind of sad. And then I want to get like a circle mirror right there, and then I also have to get a mattress topper because this sucks. But that's okay. We plan for that. But I'm getting kind of thirsty, so gotta hydrate today. Don't need anyone passing out because it's really hot out. Back to making my apartment mine. Little update. I'm now, genius idea. Actually, I'm stealing it from Janine because she did this in the dorm. But you put command strips up and they can hold your hat. And it's so cute. I mean, look at that. Adorable. Lunch break. Our favorite spot, Noodles and Company. Time to go shopping. First stop, Home Goods. Next up, another Home Goods. Home Goods number 2. Oh, that's Michael's. There's Home Goods. We got the goods. Okay, now it's time to take the mirror up 3 flights of stairs. The guns are coming out. Okay, time to grab the rest of the stuff we just bought. More stuff we're taking up. Here's a little room update. I cleaned the mirror. She looks so good. And then I went through the closet and it's all organized. And then we have to finish the top of that, something up there, something on the side, the bedding. We gotta get a mattress cover. The desk is a hot mess. Don't look at that. And then we put up that little thing over there. By we, I mean my dad, not we. But now we're gonna go shopping and spend more money. Getting the necessities at Walmart. And then maybe this fan. We'll see. I found a plant. Getting the goods. Okay, we just locked up the room for the night and we are going to throw away some trash and call it a day. And we're gonna go get dinner. Okay, so we made it back to our Airbnb. We have some work we need to get done. So we are going to do that and we are going to take a shower and we will see you in the morning. Good night. See you tomorrow. Good morning. Today is Saturday. We just moved in yesterday, but I spent the night at my parents' Airbnb because we forgot to wash all of my sheets. So this morning I'm gonna make my bed and then we're gonna head to Target and just get some last minute stuff. But here's the room so far. I'm loving it. So let me just make my bed and then we can head to Target. Okay, bed is made. Time for Target. Target time! Target number 2. Getting the goods. Time for groceries at Whole Foods. We just dropped the frozen stuff and the cold stuff at the Airbnb, and right now we are headed to go shopping again. Okay, if Kohl's does not have a blender, we're giving up and ordering one off Amazon because we have tried 2 different Targets and 1 Walmart, and they're sold out of blenders. So, well, like not expensive, over $100 blenders. Okay, they have 1 blender and it's $130. So we're gonna pass and buy it on Amazon. Lunchtime. Time to go shopping again. Okay, back at Walmart. Got the goods. Okay, it's time to take everything up to the apartment. 3 flights of stairs. Let's go. So fun. This is the current setup of the room. I'm now trying to connect my Amazon Alexa and she's not wanting to. So this is the setup when you walk in. We have the door and then we have all this fun stuff. Looking cute, coastal, the desk, the back of the door, and our like bathroom areas over there. And then I have like a shelf coming that I want to put there. But that is it as of right now. So I plan to make a apartment room tour and an apartment tour, so stay tuned for that. But this is gonna be it for the vlog because I have some meetings tomorrow, and so my parents are gonna like do the rest of the setup and everything, so you're just gonna have to wait and see the finished product in the next video. So sorry, but this is what we have so far and I'm loving it. It is so cute. And right now I'm gonna finish setting up my Alexa and then I think we're gonna go get dinner and call it a day. But I'm so happy with it, and if you made it to the end of this video, you're great. And you should totally comment the blue heart for the blue theme of the room. And I'll see you next time.